Hi guys, in today's video I will show you a quick and easy meal you can make to fuel your body throughout the day. Your ability to focus, be productive, and maintain healthy bodily functions is dependent on what you eat. Every meal you make should contain the following: grains, fruit, protein, and vegetables. A yummy and nutritious food idea are shrimp wraps. The ingredients you will need are cheese, shrimp, corn, cooking oil, seasonings, a tomato, lime, and spinach wraps. Your first step is going to be you're going to take your cooking oil or butter and place it into the center of the pan. Once you completed this, you're going to turn on the stove and wait for the pan to heat up. Once the pan has sat on the stove for a couple seconds, you're going to place your shrimp onto the pan. Now you'll let this sit for about a minute. In this recipe, I'm using frozen corn, so while the shrimp is cooking, I will now place the corn into the microwave. Now that the shrimp has begun to cook, I will start seasoning. So I'm using paprika, Italian seasoning, chili powder, and garlic powder. Stir that around. As the shrimp continues to simmer, I will now cut some toppings, the tomato and lime. So I'm going to use half of the lime to squeeze onto the shrimp that's cooking and after when it's finished. And then I will cut half of the tomato. And then I will dice this and add this as a topping on the wrap. This next part is super fun because you can get really creative with what you put in your wrap. So first you'll place the shrimp onto the wrap. And then I'm adding some of the corn. And then the tomatoes. So the first step in creating the wrap is to fold the sides in. Then you're going to take the bottom and just spin it around. And now you can try the food you made.